Welcome back to the channel. Today's video we have this B7 RS4 in for, you probably guessed it, replacing the leaking DRC dampers. These cars from the factory have this amazing DRC system, which basically means it has interconnected dampers. They work really well when they're brand new, but obviously about 20 years on now, they are absolutely beyond their best. And what's even worse at the moment is that most of the dampers are no longer available, and the one single damper is available. However, you need to replace them in pairs, and ideally a car of this age, you probably want to replace them all because the rest of them probably aren't that far behind. So a common upgrade we do on these cars is to delete the DRC system and then replace the dampers with some KW or Bilstein dampers, and this particular customer has gone for KW V1s. So we're going to be able to reduce the ride height slightly to get a slightly better aesthetic, but most importantly replace those factory leaking dampers with a coilover system that's not only going to handle a lot better, but it's also going to ride a lot better than the failing leaky DRC system. So let's get car in the workshop and let's get it upgraded. We've just finished the B7 RS4. Hope you enjoyed that install. We've replaced the factory leaking DRC suspension, upgraded it with a nice KW V1 kit. The car now drives absolutely amazing. If you have a B7 RS4 and you want to upgrade your suspension or even replace the leaking DRC suspension, then get in touch with our team. They'll be ready to discuss through your options. You can contact them in the description below. We also ship these systems worldwide, so if you want to fit them at home or outside of the country or at another shop, we can also drop ship them to you. That's all for now. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. If you haven't done already, then give us a thumbs up. If you want to watch some of our other videos that YouTube thinks you'll like, then click up here. If you want to watch some other videos in the same playlist, then click here. And if you haven't done already, then hit the subscribe button right here.